Hello friends, today I have made a video to explain how Kundli is made and what is the scientific explanation to making a Kundli. I have made a chart which looks like a polar coordinate system from 0 to 360 degree. I have placed planets in different orbits according to their size and according to the distance from Earth. As you can see, I have placed 7 planets excluding Rahu and Ketu. These 7 planets are Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Moon. Now, as we know, that Earth revolves around the Sun, but for our perspective, for our Kundli making, we will take Earth as the center point and we will assume that all these planets are revolving around Earth. As you can see, I have mentioned each 30 degree quadrant, a 30 degree section with a number from 1 to 12. Now I'll explain what is 1 to 12, but first we will look after the planets that I have placed. I have placed Sun, which is denoted by SU. It is written in orange color. I have placed Mercury. It is written in green color with ME. I have placed Venus, which is represented by VE, and it is placed some far away from Earth. And then I have placed Mars, which is in red color. Then I have placed Jupiter, which is in yellow color, and it is denoted by JU. Mars is denoted by MA. And then I have placed Saturn, which is in black color and denoted by SA. So now, according to the position of the planets with respect to Earth, sorry, I forgot Moon also. I have mentioned MO in pale white color, and it is very near to Earth. So yeah, these planets are in different 30 degree sections, and for a particular given time, this was the planet position. Now, if I explain what are these 30 degree sections, then it will be in simple words, they will be called zodiac signs. From 0 to 30 degree, it will be Aries, denoted by number 1. From 30 to 60 degree, it will be Taurus, and so on up to 330 degree to 360 degree or 0. That is 12 number denoted, and which 12 number means Pisces. So now if we look at the planets, Sun is placed in 11 number sign, which is Aquarius, and along with Sun, Mercury is also there in the same sign. So this is called conjunction, guys. Venus is now in Capricorn, which is shown by VE in white color, and it is right besides Aquarius in 10 number section. Similarly, Mars is in 8 number, which is Scorpio. I will give the list of numbers with respect to the signs also, so it will be easier for you to understand. So these are the planet positions. Moon is placed in 6 number Virgo Rashi, or we call it Kanya Rashi. Saturn is placed in Leo, 5 number, and Jupiter is placed in Gemini. So this is the planet position. Now, okay, so now we assume that this is the planet position at a given date. For example, let's say 21st August 1942. So this was the planet position at that time. So what shall we do further to get a Kundli, and what is the importance of these planet positions in our Kundli? So if I show the Kundli rough sketch, it is like there are 4 squares in the middle, and they are surrounded by a total 8 triangles at the edges. So this is how a Kundli looks like. Now the first square, that is the topmost, the square at the top, let us say it is the east direction, and as we know, exactly opposite will be the west direction. If we face east direction, then our right hand will represent north direction. So similarly, right square will be a north direction, and left square will be a south direction. So this is how our Kundli is representing the directions. So now the date we have assumed is 21st August 1942. Now for example, let us suppose the birth time is during the sunrise time, around 7 in the morning. So we all know that during sunrise the sun will be in the east direction. So the sign in which sun is present, let us keep that in east direction. So now sun is in the Aquarius as per our example that we have taken. The east direction will have 11 number, that is Aquarius sign. Now go in anti-clockwise direction and in the increasing order of the numbers. So after 11, 12 will come in the second house, the triangle that is above square. The next triangle will have number 1. It will restart from 1 after 12. So the next square below the third triangle will be the south direction, and it will then the next triangle will have next number. So accordingly, if we fill from 11 to 12 and then 1 to 10 number, and we will get the signs according to the birth time in our Kundli. Now what we will do is one by one we will place our planets according to the example that we have taken. So keeping those planets in our Kundli will give us the exact Kundli that is according to our birth time and birth date. Now let us go back to the example that we have chosen. This is the chart once again that I have shown in the beginning of the video. As you can see, Sun and Mercury both are in Aquarius. We should remember this. They are in Aquarius. Venus is in Capricorn, that is 10 number. Mars is in Scorpio, 8 number. And Saturn is in Leo sign, 5 number. Jupiter is in Gemini, 3 number. And Moon is in 6 number Virgo sign. So these planets we will take as it is and we will place it in the birth chart. And now we have marked all the signs. So accordingly we will place all the planets in the respective zodiac sign sections. So this is how ancient sages used to make our Kundli, and the Janam Patrikas that we have in our homes, it is made by this. So the astrologers use Panchanga, and according to that Panchang you can find out which planet is in which sign at a particular given date. So they pick our birth date and birth time, and then they place all these planets according to what I have explained in this video. I hope you have gained some knowledge regarding how Kundli is made, and an astrological and scientific view of a birth chart. Now, how a planet will affect us in our life, that depends upon these placements, and each planet will radiate some electromagnetic waves. They will have some gravitation force, and in each zodiac each planet will behave differently. So in coming videos or in coming posts, you will come to know how each planet can behave in different ways and different signs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll keep updating more videos for those who are crazy about astrology and who are interested in astrology. And I have worked a lot for this video. Please give a like at least, and if you can share it to some others who are interested in astrology, please share this video so that they can also get some insight. Thank you.